Alright, what up, good people? It's your boy. You're back again with another one. 18 days of Whipfest. 18 days of Whipfest. So I'm currently searching for what I'm looking for. Nope. So I'm currently searching for, I don't even know what you would call it, so I can't think right now. I am currently searching for, the more you say it, the more it'll come to life or something. Damn, I can't think of what it's called. Oh, that's what it is. So I'm currently searching for the wiper motor. Well, actually, not the wiper motor, but the washer pump. So many years ago, actually 2 to be exact, I bought a wiper motor and a washer pump. So the other day, I was looking for the wiper motor, and I found this one, which actually goes to the truck and not car. Boo-hoo on that. So, oh yeah, I had a vacuum cleaner. I was trying to, vacuum out the box a little bit in the back seat, get the stuff up off the floor, look a little better. So we're gonna probably finish vacuuming and see if we can shampoo it before we put the door seals and stuff on there. But yeah, now I'm like at a standstill because I can't figure out. Where the hell this washer pump is at. I did go ahead and I bought a wiper motor. So you can see the new wiper motor's right there. Brand new, all squeaky and things. However, the washer pump, I don't know. But I know I had it somewhere. I want to say for the longest time it was sitting in one spot, and then it got moved, and now I don't know where it's at. I think those are all parts for that motor that we building. This is a bunch of shit we bought off of Temu and some other random things. Shout out to Temu for random cheap stuff. Alright. Let me see if I can focus and find a goddamn pump, man. I know I have one. If not, I just had to go buy another one. Alright, so we back. We got the wiper motor. I don't know if I showed y'all this last night or not. We got the wiper motor. We got the washer pump with the intermittent wipers. And so we got it all assembled here today. So new pump and new washer motor. I'm just trying to figure out how this wiring is supposed to go. To see exactly what is it supposed to do? I don't know, honestly. There was some directions. The directions is not necessarily 100% clear. A lot of it, I feel like it references the old one. So disconnect the terminals, locate the red wire and pink wire with a black stripe. Which I believe would apply to this one. See, illustration 1. So red wire. It don't show. Red wire and pink wire with black stripe. So the pink wire, from what it's showing me, should be the pink wire with the black stripe. Although I did not see a stripe on here. I'm guessing, I mean, it's the only pink thing I see. There's nothing pink inside of this one. This one is purple, gray, and white inside of that one. So, yeah, about that. So, we are going to remove the 3 screws and mount the wipe the pump to the. Install a new pump using the same screws. Make sure copper grounding, push down the 3-way female connector, blue, white, and gray until it engages the 3-way terminals on the wiper motor. Reconnect connector B to terminals D. Okay, that part is straightforward. Reconnect electric connector A to top of the washer pump. White wire goes to center terminal. I mean, I guess the white one. So white, pink, white, pink. And then, but on this new one, my question is, where do these wires go? Because on here, they're connected to this pulse board or whatever you want to call it here. But I guess this new improved design have it to where I guess you don't have to worry about all that. Okay, so that makes it dummy 5 for that. Pink, white, nothing on there. So I'm guessing that's the green one for that one. However, for these other 2 wires, where the hell is they supposed to go? So I gotta find that out before I put it back together. I'll mount it back on the car, and then we'll have a new washer pump and shit. But yeah, so we're gonna figure that out, and then we are. So if you look here, that thing's still holding. So this has been like this all day since while I've been at work. No issues. Clearly the vacuum is holding very, very well. So we are ready to go ahead and add the Freon in there. Bow. So that's coming up. I did buy the leak detection stuff. I was ready to put the Freon in there and all that stuff. I'm still gonna put a can or 2 with the UV stuff in there, just in the event that I do see a leak, or just so that if there is a leak, we can kind of see where it's at and go from there. So let me dig and do a little research and try to figure out this shit so I can go ahead and get this mounted and get this operational. Like, this shit should not be that difficult. But I know that it gets rid of like a lot of this stuff. I just need to know where these wires go on the new on the new setup here. So, all right, so we back. I don't even know what day this is or nothing like that, but I gotta bring y'all an update so I can get moving to the next. Turn that fan off so y'all can hear me. So the vacuum on the car has still been holding at least 48 hours, good to go. So the AC system will have something added. I don't know exactly about the wiring for this, for that pump with that new wiper assembly, whatever thingamajigger bob. Like I said, it's 2 wires coming over here. I do not know where they go. So if you do know, let me know, and then I'll get that done. But that ain't gonna stop. Excuse me. That is not gonna stop the progress that we're gonna have going. So, yeah, got the Chevy Rider plates up there. Like I said, that sticker. God damn it. Sticker up here can come off. Because we do got the new, we got the 20, or not 25 years. We got the antique plates on that bad boy. So we good to go with that. What else? So yeah, man, I mean, that's pretty much like kind of it for that. Like I said, that AC system gotta get done. Also, we need to tee into the vacuum lines so that I can make sure that I get the correct flow. Or I don't know if you would say the correct flow, but if we don't get the air to these vacuum lines here, then it ain't gonna make no, well, not, I won't say it won't make a difference, but the vent not gonna go the way that we need it to go. So we need to get that ran so that the air can come out the vents once we do get it charged up. And yeah. So like I said, man, chime in if y'all know anything about the wiring on that. Other than that, till the next time, till the next progress is made, I gotta finish. Then we got everything installed pretty much. We gotta get all that stuff put back together, get the tools put up, all the wires tucked, all that stuff on the inside, flows vacuumed, all that stuff. So